Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer frozen Texas toast. And we're going to see which one is better. And now let's take a look at the details of each box. We have here Pepperidge Farm Texas toast is 5 different cheeses. Here are the nutrition facts. And they're around 6 slices. Here's Kohl's Texas toast and it's around 8 slices. Here's the nutrition facts. We also have here New York Texas toast, and it has 5 cheeses. And this is also 8 slices, and here are the nutrition facts. We have here Essential Everyday 5 cheese Texas toast, and it's around 8 slices as well. Here are the nutrition facts. Alright, let's open each box and cook in the air fryer and see which one is better. Let's open up the Pepperidge Farm box. It's nicely packaged, and we're just going to take one out. We'll put it right here. Let's open the Kohl's Texas toast. Put that right here. Let's open up the Essential Everyday. See how that one looks. And lastly, the New York Texas toast. There we go. Okay, so we have here Pepperidge Farm, Kohl's, Essential Everyday, and New York Texas toast. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. For a total time of 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Pepperidge Farm Texas toast. The Kohl's Texas toast. Everyday Essential Texas toast. And the New York Texas toast. We have here some marinara sauce, and we're just going to pour some out. We're going to try the Pepperidge Farm Texas toast first. You dip it in some of the marinara sauce. Let's give it a try. It's nice and crunchy, and overall it tastes really good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try the Kohl's Texas toast. I like the Kohl's Texas toast. It has a nice garlic flavor to it. It's actually pretty good. Let's try the Everyday Essential Texas toast. It has a nice rich cheesy flavor to it. That's good. And now let's try the New York Texas toast. It's well balanced and it's well seasoned. If you want a Texas toast that's a little bit more cheesier in the inside, I would say Everyday Essential. If you want Texas toast that's a little bit more seasoned, I would say New York. If you want a Texas toast where it's more crispy on the outside and softer in the inside, I would say Kohl's. And it's really garlicky. But if you want a more crunchy Texas toast, I would say Pepperidge Farms. Yeah, this one is more crunchier than the rest. Overall, I think I like the New York Texas toast the best. But don't take my word for it. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.